Okay, this is the view from my hotel in the centre of Nairobi. I'm just about to go to the airport to catch my flight to Mauritius. So it's the next morning and I'm about to go and see the sights of Port Louis, the capital. So just come for a little detour by the harbour. It's perfectly safe during the day, but at night it's a place to avoid because you get drug dealers and prostitutes. Queen Victoria. Let's go in and see what it's about. Apparently what it is, it's called Apravasi Ghat. And it used to be where it was the immigration centre, and apparently most people on the island can trace their roots back to these buildings where they were processed. Start Chinatown. Right, so it's going to get a steep climb now, but I made it. I'm on a tour of the island. This is the old sugar boat and the sugar making equipment. Pictures of people going mad for sugar. Sugar production in the 17th century. So there's the plan of it. So let's go and see what I can find. BAIE. So we've just come to a place called Cap Malheureux. Yeah, pretty little church.